I got another unboxing video and I have got the Natural Beauty Box. So this is how it arrives. I've tried to peel my dress off there, so I'll just show you this side instead. The Natural Beauty Box is a UK natural beauty subscription box that was launched in the UK last year, 2017. Now, even though they're based in the UK, they do offer free shipping on all their boxes within the UK, but they do ship worldwide. Delivery is calculated at checkout. So the cost of this box costs £24.95 and you are free to cancel anytime you wish. There is a bit of a discount if you opt for a 3-month or a 6-month subscription, and that will reduce the cost a little bit as well. As well as monthly subscriptions, you can opt for skip a month as well. They do offer that, so you can have it every other month, and you can also buy one-off boxes as well. All the details will be linked down below, so click on the show more, that'll bring up description, and all the links and things will be down there. So they also offer a discount off your first box. It's not affiliated to me, it's part of the information I found when I did my research on this box, and basically it entitles you to 10% off your first box, and it's first box 10. Again, I will link that down below so you can check that out later if you're interested. All boxes have a value of at least £50, and 50p of each box goes to their chosen charity, which is changed every quarter. So on their website they do have a list of their current charities that they are supporting, which is a really good idea. Natural Beauty Box's aim is to deliver a subscription box that contains all natural, vegan and cruelty-friendly products. So all these products will be from award-winning established brands, new up-and-coming brands, and also Ecolux artisan. The Natural Beauty Box loves to smaller brands, so it's really nice to actually find a box that is completely all natural, completely vegan, cruelty-free, because I know a lot of you have been requesting that I do a box like this, and I get loads and loads of comments off you saying, is this cruelty-free, is this box cruelty-free? But this particular box is 100% all natural and cruelty free and vegan free, etc. So it's nice to be able to get this opportunity to do this box to show you. So inside you get a mix of items. You don't get sachet samples, so you might get travel sizes and full sizes, but no sachets. That's what I read on the site, no sachets. So that's good to know. You get between 5 or 6 items, and all boxes are posted out around the 20th of every month. So let's open up and see what's inside. So as you open it, it's a flip top, and it says fragile with care. So the reason they don't come in a fancy box like say glossy box, etc., is because they want to keep it all as natural as possible, keep the costs down. They want to be as environmentally friendly as possible. So yeah, which is quite nice. This is a nice box, it's quite sturdy, and from the looks of it, it's quite well packaged in there. So you've got a few leaflets. Oh, there's quite a few leaflets actually, so I'll put them to the side, and that's how it looks like there. A little sticker, and they're all buried in worms. So I'll just show you quickly, so you can see in there, I can see there's a few products there. So I'll just put this down to the side and I'll take a look through these leaflets. So the first one I see is the actual contents of the box. What I like about this, what I can see straight off, is the fact that they explain what it is, and they also give you the price as well. It's really handy for me because when I like to fill my description with lots of information, and I try and find out the links, I try and find out the cost, and then I like to add it all up, and it's got it all here. This month's box comes to £56.90. So there's 6 items. So what I'll do, I'll grab an item, show you, have a little look, have a smell maybe, and then I'll refer back to the information here, and I'll tell you all about it that way. Then we've got a few little leaflets here. They look like promo sheets maybe. I'm not too sure. Yeah, they look like possible brands that are featured inside this box. So we've got something by Moksa. Ooh, Wild Rose Toning Mist. Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's some discount codes on here, and there's a code on here as well for Ilex wood. I think that's how you pronounce it. All the codes that are featured on these leaflets I will link down below as well, so everything will be down there, so take a look there. Right, so my first item, and this is by the Ilex wood. Ilex, is that how you pronounce it? This is by the company the Ilex wood. This is a Calendula Bomb or a Calendula Salve. Oh, it's a nice big tin. That's what it looks like there. Soothing salve for a variety of skin ailments, including dry skin, itching, rashes and burns. I could use this on my feet. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know why. I've got really horrible feet at the moment. My own fault, bad shoes, bad shoes. So, oh my gosh, look, that's really pretty. It's got a little flower in the middle there. Oh, it's lovely. You can smell all like aromatherapy oils and stuff. It's really nice and fresh. Let's feel it. Oh, I was expecting it to be quite hard. Like some balms I've had, you have to apply some pressure before you get an actual product. But no, it's quite creamy. It reminds me of slightly melted white chocolate. Have you ever had a white chocolate bar and it's sort of melted, and if you touch the very top, I might be the only one, but that's what it reminds me of. It feels really, really nice, really nice. Can you see what I've done there? Just really, really nice. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm going to try that on my feet after. So what the information says, this is an all-purpose, all-healing, all-soothing balm, perfect for summer, can be used for insect bites, sunburn, eczema and mild rashes, and the recommended retail price is £8. So that's the first item, and I'm really chuffed at that. The next item, it's a big bottle of something, and it's, yes, we had that leaflet. It's the Moksa, or Moksa, and it's a wild rose toning mist for all skin types, and it's handcrafted in Devon, and this is 30 mils, and it's hydrate, tone, refresh. I love the packaging. It's so cool. That's what that looks like. Now, I'm not keen on rosy smells. I don't mind them so much in skincare, but when it comes to perfumes, oh, I hope we haven't got a rose perfume in this box. Fingers crossed. But anyway, if we do, then I'll just give it away. But no, let's see what this smells like. Oh, I just love a face mist. I love it. It's wild rose. It smells quite nice. It's not really strong. No, it's nice. It's nice. I'm going to spray it on my face. I hope I can put it on my face. Can I put it on? Yeah, oh, delicate. Well, it is for the face, but I mean, can I put it on top of my makeup? That's what I'm getting at. Our delicate organic rose floral water is blended with glycerin derived from coconut and powerful vitamin E for ultimate nourishment and hydration, helping to soothe, tone and repair. It contains mild, astringent properties that can help shrink your pores while removing residual dirt and oil from your face. Spritz over cleansed face in the morning and before bed. Can also be used with or without makeup at any time of the day for an additional hydration boost. I really like this. I'm going away, if you don't already know, I'm going to Italy next week, and I'm taking a cabin bag, so I am very limited to what products I want to take. And at the moment I've got a Neod spray. It's like a toning mist, and it's quite big. It's like 200 mils, and I can't bring it with me, but I can't do my skincare without it. So this has come at a perfect time. I'm going to take this because this is 30 mils and I can take that. So now, what's it say here? So it says it's a Moksa skincare wild rose toning mist, delicate uplifting aroma and refreshing on your skin during hot weather. Use after cleansing and before your face. Oil moisturiser to remove residual oil and dirt to help tone skin. Use throughout the day to refresh. 20% off code is MBB20, which will be down below, and the recommended retail price for this is £9. So no, I quite like that. This item, something heavy. It's a big jar or something. So this is by Celtic Herbal Cymru, which is where I live. I live in Wales. Cymru is the Welsh word for Wales. And this is a natural soy candle. Lime, basil and mandarin. Oh, I love these smells. I love, love, love lime, basil and mandarin. I get a candle in Aldi's or Aldi's. How do you pronounce it? Aldi's or Aldi's? I don't know. I think I say it different ways all the time, and they do them as well, and they're quite nice. I love this jar. I really, really love it. It's a really nice glass jar with a nice candle. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. It reminds me of Centre Parks. Why does it remind me of Centre Parks? It must be, I went to the spa there once. My parents looked after our kids while me and my husband went to I think it was a twilight spa session or something. We went to the spa in Centre Parks in Longley, and we had like 3 hours in the spa. It was amazing. And I'm wondering if one of the rooms had this sort of smell in it. Because I've smelled this smell before, but this particular one, it just brings back Centre Parks for me. Oh, I love it. I do. I really, really like it. And it's a really good size as well. And it's made in Wales. Oh. It says the refreshing, uplifting scent, perfect for spring and summer. The recommended retail price for this candle is £10. So now I quite like that as well. Oh. it's a jar, it's a little bottle of something. What is it? Conscious Skincare, lovingly made in Britain. It's sweet orange and frangipani. Have I said that right? Frangipani body oil, and it's a 50 mils. And it says here, apply a small amount of oil to the palm of your hand, rub between hands, apply to skin. Oh, very subtle. I was expecting it to be quite overpowering. I do love overpowering orange smells. I've got a thing for citrus smells, but no, it's quite subtle. It's quite nice. Let me try a bit on my hand. An oil is amazing on your skin in the heat of the summer. Mainly at night, because I wouldn't put it on during the day because I'd burn like anything. But if I'm going out for the night and I'm wearing like a strappy dress or something like that, and I've got a fake tan going on, put some body oil on, like down the middles of your legs and on your shoulders and everything. And yeah, it just looks stunning, just glistening. No, it's nice. It absorbs well into my skin. It is so lovely. My hands are quite dry at the moment as well, so no, that is lovely. Really, really nice. So I'm wondering if this is a travel size. It's quite small, but it's, what is it, 50 mils, but no, it's quite nice. And quite a subtle smell as well. So this is a travel size, light and fast absorbing frangipani and sweet orange body oil to gently moisturise, soothe and nourish. Full size is £12, and it says travel size is not part of a set. So that's what, did I show you? I'm not sure if I showed you, I'm sorry. That's what that looks like there. So no, I like it, I like it. So the next item, something with a little dupla. This is a facial oil, and this is Mallow and White Restore Facial Oil for normal to dry skin, perfect for me. Made purely with 5 ingredients. It's organic and 100% natural, and this is a 10 ml, and it's got a batch number on the bottom there, so that's what that looks like. I'll show you first before trying it. I like a facial oil as well. I do like them. I tend to stick to Rosehip Seed Oil because of the benefits of it. It's supposed to be an amazing sort of anti-aging and hydrating sort of oil, and also an oil that, oh, the smell. It smells quite like roses actually, but not the strong rosy smell that I don't like. Oh, it smells of a flower. I can't think now. I've lost my cog now, I can't remember what I was saying. What was I saying before saying that about the smell? Never mind. So no, a lot goes a long way. I've put quite a lot of oil on there, so this will last a long time. So no, I was talking about Rosehip Seed Oil, wasn't I? Never mind. So no, it'd be nice to try something different and see what that's like and how it reacts to my skin. So the information of this says that it's an award-winning Restore facial oil, a real saviour for sun-damaged, stressed or sleep-deprived skin. Use 2 to 3 drops morning and evening onto cleansed face after spritzing with the toner. And the recommended retail price of this is £14. So no, quite happy with that. I'll have to rub that in now. What is it? Oh my word, it is massive. Look how big this is. It's about the size of my head. So this is Pure Purpose 100% natural coffee body scrub and skin mask, turmeric and orange. Turmeric is supposed to be amazing for you as well. We create pure and natural body care products that are free from parabens, phthalates, sulfates, palm oil, petrochemicals, so your skin stays healthy and beautiful. And this is a 180 gram pouch. Oh, it's quite massive. It is really big. So I'll just read what it says on here actually. It says it's for anti-aging, exfoliating, moisturising, whitening, fades, hyperpigmentation. Luxurious, nourishing turmeric and orange coffee body scrub will leave your skin soft, supple and moisturised, so you do not have to worry about moisturising after a shower. Curcumin, a bioactive component of turmeric, assists in gently fading the appearance of dark spots and brightening the skin. It is high in antioxidants that slow down the cell damage. This unique combination of coffee and turmeric will, with added benefits of vitamin E, will reduce the appearance of cellulite and improve skin's texture. I'm going to have to use this before I go to Italy. Definitely. It says here to do a patch test 24 hours before using. And do not use in broken skin and near eyes and stuff like that. Oh, that's exciting. Let's see if it does anything for my cellulite. Although I don't think a week of treatment is going to shift it, is it really? But it could help. So let's see what it says. So this is another award-winning product, and it's Pure Purposes award-winning dual action orange turmeric body scrub and mask to exfoliate, improve circulation, enhance skin's elasticity while aiding with uneven skin tone and pigmentation. Recommended retail price for this is £13.50. I just showed you the card then. There you go. So that was all the items, I'm sure. Hold on. Yep. And we have got 6 items here. So I'll just gather them all up. I can't hold them properly. So there's the 6 items. So we've got a body oil, we've got a facial oil, we've got like a healing type balm, we've got a body scrub, and we've got a candle, and we've got a facial mist. I really, really love it. I think I'm excited to try every single product. It's just really nice, really, really nice. I think my favourite one has to be the candle, because it brings me back to Centre Parks. It must be the spa. I'm gonna have to ask my husband. I'll put this under his nose and see what he says and say, does that remind you of something, just to see. But no, I'm really chuffed with it, really, really chuffed. So yeah, the box cost £24.95 and the contents came to £56.90. So yeah, quite good, really, really lovely. And it's nice to try products that are a bit different, aren't they? And obviously it's nice to have a box that is completely natural. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I forgot to say at the beginning, but I was actually given this box in exchange for a review on my YouTube channel, so all my thoughts and opinions are my own, and I wasn't told to say anything, just to do my own review on the channel. So I just thought I'd let you know. So yeah, check out the details down below, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.